Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by matching project settings to your source clips because mismatched frame rates force real-time conforming. Check the timeline frame rate and clip properties, then change playback to better performance. This reduces GPU load. Once done, generate proxy media at 1/4 or 1/8 resolution so playback is fluid while editing. You'll also disable background render temporarily to avoid CPU spikes. These steps immediately reduce dropped frames and give you a responsive timeline to continue troubleshooting. Now you transcode problematic clips into a more edit-friendly codec like ProRes because compressed formats cause decoding bottlenecks. Next, selectively disable or render complex effects, stabilization, noise reduction, and heavy color grades so the timeline plays back smoothly. Make compound clips or render sections as needed. Rendering creates playback-ready media. Meanwhile, keep playback on better performance and only toggle high quality when you're ready to review. This combination reduces CPU/GPU. To finish, switch back from proxy to original media and render the timeline at full resolution for a clean export. This ensures quality without playback compromises. If you still experience stuttering, clear render files, restart Final Cut Pro, and retry playback to remove corrupted cache. Finally, verify hardware. Update GPU drivers, confirm sufficient RAM, and use fast external drives. Slow drives cause frame drops. One key troubleshooting tip: if choppiness remains, isolate by disabling effects and reintroducing them one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.